Hello everyone, I am Susmita. This is a small attempt from my side to explain some physics topic for you. This video is based on some of the numerical portion based on the chapter turning forces. Okay. The first numerical, the moment of a force of 5 Newton about a point is 2 Newton meter. Calculate the distance of the point from the point of application of the forces. So from this question, first we should try to understand what are the theory based on the question. We already studied moment. The moment is known as turning effect. Okay, the moment of force, that is known as torque. The symbol of the torque is tau. The expression of torque equal to either force into perpendicular distance of the point of application of force from the axis of rotation. Okay, this is the theory based on the question. Next, what are the given data from this question? The torque, otherwise moment of force, is already given. You can to see here the moment of force of 5 Newton. This is the given force. About the point is 2 Newton meter. This 2 Newton meter is the moment of force, otherwise torque. So torque is given 2 Newton meter. Newton meter is the unit of torque. And force is also given in the question, that is the moment of force 5 Newton. That means force equal to 5 Newton. Then which one we have to calculate from this question? Question is like that: calculate the distance of the point from the point of application of the force. The theory is, expression is like that: torque equal to either force into perpendicular distance. So we should write the expression torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. Torque is already given 2 Newton meter. Force is given 5 Newton into perpendicular distance. You already know the symbol is for perpendicular. Then question is, find out this perpendicular distance. That means 2 Newton meter divided by 5 Newton. Newton will be cancelled. Newton is the unit of force. And 2 by 5. 2 by 5 answer is, you can to see here the simplification. 2 by 5. And to see here 2 by 5. 0.4 is the, after the simplification your answer is 0.4. So perpendicular distance equal to 0.4 Newton is cancelled, then final answer 0.4 Newton. Distance unit is meter, so 0.4 meter. This is our first question. Okay, then question number 2. Then question number 2. Calculate the resultant torque from the following diagram. Question is, calculate the resultant torque. The expression of torque you already studied. Torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. From this diagram, 5 forces are given, and it is a, this shape is not in a perfect shape. So the center of the shape is already given, that is O. The first force is 30 Newton and perpendicular distance is 4 meter. We should find out the perpendicular distance from the center O. That's why we should consider this line. Then from what is this? This line. This line is the line of force. What is the meaning of line of force? Just extended the given force, that line is called as line of force. I just repeat once more. What is line of force? This is the given force 30 Newton. I just extended this force, that line is called as line of force. That line of force is making 4 meter distance from the origin in the perpendicular nature. That is the perpendicular distance of the force 30 Newton. Okay. Similarly, next given force is 20 Newton. And just extending this 20 Newton like that. So this is the line of force. This line of force making perpendicular distance from the origin O, that is already given 1 meter. The similar way, Next given force is 80 Newton. This is the line of force, that means extended line of the given force 80 Newton. Making perpendicular distance from the origin O, that distance is already given 3 meter. Next given force is 200 Newton. This 200 Newton contain line of force. The line of force of 200 Newton is passing through the origin. That means no perpendicular distance in this case. I hope you can understand this one. This line of force of 200 Newton passing through the center of this figure, that means O. We should find out the expression from the origin. So the line of force is passing through the O, so no perpendicular distance in between them. Next given force is 50 Newton. Extended line is this. This is the line of force. Perpendicular distance from the origin, that is 5 meter. Then theory based on the question. Expression of torque. Torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. Torque is a vector quantity. You already know what is vector. Two expressions we have studied in your 8th and 9th classes, scalar and vector. Scalar means only contain magnitude. Vector means magnitude and direction. Both are present in a physical quantity, that is called as vector. Okay. Then the turning effect produced by a force may be clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. So torque is a vector, that means it have a magnitude. Then from this expression we should get magnitude. So what is the direction? Torque have two possibilities for direction. One is clockwise, other one is anti-clockwise. The anti-clockwise moment of force is denoted by positive sign and clockwise moment of force denoted by negative sign. Okay. Then we have tried to solve the problem. Write the given data. The first given force, that is 30 Newton. What is the expression of torque? Torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. What is the force in the case of 30 Newton? 30 Newton is the force. Perpendicular distance is 4 meter. That means 30 into 4, that is the first torque. 30 into 4, your answer is 120. The unit of torque is Newton meter. Next one. This 120 is the magnitude of torque. What is the direction of the torque? Listen here. In the case of this 30 Newton, this is the line of force. So it will going through this direction. So this is the direction just like a clockwise. I'll repeat one more. This is the 30 Newton. This is the line of force from this 30 Newton. It will be passing through like that. That means it will be moving just like a clock. That's the reason it is called as clockwise direction. The sign of clockwise is negative. That means this 120 Newton meter sign is negative. Okay. Next given force is 20 Newton. What is the expression? Force into perpendicular distance. That means 20 into 1. The perpendicular distance of 20 Newton, that is 1 meter. So 20 into 1, torque equal to 20 Newton meter. That is the magnitude. The sign means direction. It is the direction. This 20 Newton contain line of force is this. It will be moving like that. So this is just opposite of the clockwise direction. That's the reason it is clockwise, anti-clockwise. The anti-clockwise is also known as counterclockwise. Anti-clockwise sign is positive. So positive 20 Newton. Next given force is 80 Newton and perpendicular distance is 3 meter. So this torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. That means 80 into 3. Okay, what is the direction? This 80 Newton is moving like that. So this is the direction of anti-clockwise. Yes, you are right, anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise direction sign is positive. That means 80 into 3 equal to positive 240 Newton meter. The next given force is 50. 50 containing line of force is this, the tendency to move like that, just like a clockwise. Okay, this is the line of force, the moving like that, just like a clockwise. So the clockwise sign is negative. Expression is force into perpendicular distance. So 50 into 5 equal to 250, that is the magnitude. Clockwise is the direction, so sign is negative. Next given force is 200 Newton. The line of force is passing through the origin, so no perpendicular